Ready to connect with friends and family worldwide for free calls and messages? Learn how to easily install Viber on your Android phone and get started with seamless communication. Installing Viber on your Android phone is a quick process that allows you to join millions of users who communicate through free calls, messages, and more. All you need is an active internet connection and your phone number. So, from your device, you first want to make your way to the Play Store. Then, go to the search bar and type down Viber. That's Viber. Look for an app with this icon. Then, tap on the corresponding button labeled Install. It might take a second or two for the download to finish, but once it does, you'll have installed Viber on your phone and can now begin setting it up. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!